Hello friends, I am Imran and you are watching Technology Tips. Today we have an Imou dual lens PT camera and we are going to install it in a new housing society. So stay with me and let's begin. This camera is available in 3+3 and 5+5 megapixels. H.265 video recording, two-way talk, smart auto tracking, IP66 waterproof. This is the best camera for outdoor recording. And now we are going to install it. As you can see, we have unboxed it. We have placed it on an iron pole and we can see all around from here in the camera. We have also installed two LED lights on this pole and we have turned it on by giving it power. And now we are going to connect it to the mobile. Open the IMOU Life app in mobile. In this you will have to register an account with your Gmail. Now press add button. Press scan QR code. Scan the QR code given on the camera. Turn on Bluetooth and press next. Press OK. Select your Wi-Fi network and type the password of the Wi-Fi. Press enable and next. Turn on the Bluetooth. Wait for pairing the Bluetooth. This may take some time. The device has been added successfully. Make a name for it. Press done. Now camera has been added to the app. I will play it now. This may take some time due to slow internet speed. And now you can see the night vision result of this camera. You can see the clear view in the camera. I will show you this in full screen.